Welcome back to the Trendora Studio Pro. Today, we are stepping into the ultimate cottagecore dream. Just look at this historic thatched roof cottage surrounded by lush climbing roses. It genuinely feels like stepping straight out of a storybook. Inside, the magic continues. Vaulted ceilings with exposed timber beams and a crackling stone fireplace create the absolute coziest atmosphere imaginable. Every corner is filled with rustic charm and vintage character. The heart of this home is definitely the farmhouse kitchen, complete with a vintage-style stove, open shelving, and gleaming copper pots. It's a space made for slow living. It flows perfectly into a bright, sunlit dining room. From the relaxing Clawfoot bathtub to a dedicated embroidery room and a reading nook packed with old books, this house is designed as a peaceful sanctuary away from the busy world. As twilight falls, the warm glow from the windows makes it even more magical. Which room was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy home tours.